The Infinity Drive Mode selector allows you to optimize vehicle performance by selecting the mode that best suits the conditions and your driving preference. Push the Infinity Drive Mode selector up or down. The mode list will appear in the vehicle information display, and you can select the mode. The available drive modes are Sport Mode adjusts steering response and engine and transmission points for a better response. Auto Mode for AWD models, or Standard Mode for 2WD models, is used for normal driving. This mode is selected first each time the engine is started. Eco Mode adjusts engine and transmission output to enhance fuel economy. Snow Mode aids in driving on slippery surfaces. Tow Mode is used when pulling a trailer or heavy cargo load. Off-Road Mode allows for easier driving or starting on bumpy roads, steep uphill slopes, or sand. If you would like to adjust the Eco Mode settings, use these controls to select Settings, Eco Mode setting, then select the option you would like to adjust. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.